Keep it cool, ma. Wine your ma. Keep it cool, ma.
Hello guys, I'm just trying to get my camera to focus on me and not the background. I hope it's working. So today we are going to learn how to say hello and goodbye in Igbo language, okay? Right, so let's go. Now, if you meet someone, for example, you travel to Nigeria, the eastern part of Nigeria, or even wherever you live, you see people from your place, older people especially, or younger people, anyone. It's up to you who to speak Igbo with or to. Now, you might decide, oh, I want to say hello in Igbo. I don't want to say it in English because Igbo, obviously, is what you want to learn and practice more. Then, you can say ndewo, okay? You say ndewo. That's if you want to do that way. But normally these days, adults don't like it when we wave to them or say hi. They always want you to say good morning or good afternoon or good evening, whichever one that comes first. That's just the, what's the word? That's the culture of Igbo people, okay? So let's go back to it. Ndewo. Okay? Ndewo. Ndewo. It's so easy. Alright? So 3 syllables, I believe. Ndewo. That's it. That's it. Hello. Ndewo. That's the tone you use. Alright? Now, you can practice it. Try to say it over and over. That way, you can get used to it. Good. Now, so if you want to go away, you've been with your friends, you've been with your family to visit an auntie, and it's time to go. If you don't want to say goodbye, say it in English, you can just say kodi, okay? Kodi. Alright, that's what you say. Kodi. So this is ka, odi, but when you're speaking, okay, you say kodi, so you join it together. Kodi. Simple. Kodi. Alright? So, now, if you've been with an auntie and you want to go home, what do you say? Kodi. That's it. Alright? It's pretty easy. So don't worry yourself too much. Just listen to what I've said. Rewind, replay it if you need to do that. Write it down, record it in your phone so that these things can remind you of how to say these words in case you forget, all right? And a tip for you, if you want to learn fast, then you have to practice. And the key to practice is not being shy or not being afraid to make mistakes, okay? Don't be afraid that people will laugh at you. They won't. They'll be impressed that you're trying to learn Igbo. So that is a tip I will leave with you, okay? Till next time, bye! Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video so that other people out there can benefit from this free video, okay? Alright.
Only fakers be loving when you have when he ready them to